Hi guys, I'm Nicole and I'm the Selfish Sewist. Today I wanted to come talk to you about a recent Spoonflower purchase I made. We have very good family friends who just had their third baby. They have two boys, 1 6, 1 2, and then their brand new baby daughter. And the mama loves to see all her kids match, but because of the age of her children, she can't often find like things that match. And so I thought as a gift we could make them all, you know, like matching outfits, so they would have something sweet to wear. So I thought this is the great opportunity to finally order from Spoonflower. I've been stalking Spoonflower's website for a while and just never really pulled the trigger. And they are, I mean, you know, they're kind of pricey, but you are getting basically custom fabric. You can either design your own fabric or choose from the, you know, like billions of options they have on their website. So my husband and I went through and we finally chose this cute little pattern with the whales on it in their modern jersey, I think is what they call it. And this was $26.50 a yard. So I ordered that, I'm pretty sure it was June 27th, and it got to me July 3rd. So their shipping was really quick. I think I could have paid for expedited shipping, and it said that it would guarantee that it would be to me by July 6th. I just paid for their, you know, their standard shipping, and it still got to me before that date. So that was really exciting, that they, you know, that they can work so quickly. And so I will say, when this first came in, the first thing my husband said when I opened it was, wow, that stinks. And it does, even now, it's still got a smell on it. I washed it twice. And then took the fabric upstairs to where I do my sewing, and just left it there and came back the next day, and my whole sewing room just smelled terrible. Whatever they use, it stinks. And so I did take it down and wash it again. And the smell, for the most part, I would say has kind of dissipated, but it is still there a little bit. So that, I guess I would say, just be forewarned. I don't know how it is with the other types of fabric, but at least with this one, and I don't know if it's this blue color, I'm not sure if it all smells that way, but it does have kind of like a super stinky smell. So that would just kind of be my first warning. And the other thing that I guess I probably wasn't super in love with, is when you just even kind of stretch this slightly, you can see it just goes white like super quick. And it's got a white, you know, like just the white background on it, because, you know, and it's printed. And I'm not sure if it's just, I kind of feel like this is just the nature of the beast with this type of thing. And I'm not sure if you had picked another print, if it, you know, like if it would be any different. Like, it's fine on this, but I guess I felt like for the price, I was a little surprised that it did that. You know, I buy a lot of art gallery fabric and a lot of cotton and steel fabric, and those aren't inexpensive by any means. I think they're typically somewhere between like $17 and $18 a yard. But I don't notice that they do that to the same extent. Like, obviously, if you stretch it really far, you are going to see kind of that background come through. But I was just a little surprised just how, you know, how like slight stretch you are just going to see all of that pigment kind of stretching out of there. I mean, it's fine, but I think, you know, for $26.50 a yard, that was just probably not my favorite. It just wasn't my favorite. So I will show you. So I made, for the little baby girl, I made this Made for Mermaid summer dress, which did come out really cute, and I love it in the little whales that it's not, you know, I don't always feel like little girls have to have like the girliest thing of all time, so I thought that was really cute. And then for the boys, I made these patterns for pirates. This is the Jolly Roger raglan tee. And so they did make up really nice. The fabric is nice to work with. It's I'm pretty sure it's the 95% cotton, 5% spandex. So it did make up really nice. I guess I was just expecting a little bit more for my money. I love this concept. I think this concept is so great, and so I really want it to work. It didn't completely turn me off because I do still think that I will order, you know, one of their cottons or their cotton poplin or something and see how different that is, because obviously the stretch factor won't be that much of an issue. So if it has a little bit of a smell and it'll wear out over time, like, I think I'll be okay with that. So I wasn't displeased with my product, but I just definitely didn't think that it was worth the price. If you guys have ordered from Spoonflower and have had experience, and even if it's just with the wallpaper or the wrapping paper or all of the other stuff they do, I would love to hear from you if you'll leave a comment down below. I would love to hear what your experience was. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!